you wanna basically complete your this right here. You wanna complete, let me go for the hard one, your 4,000 hours, okay, of people watching you, and then you wanna have minimal 1,000 subscribers. When you pass 1,000 subscribers, a lockdown, okay? So you have your 4,000 hours of people watching your content, you know what I'm saying? 4,000 hours people been watching your content, and then you good to go, my people, okay? So you need 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. Sometimes they talk about 10 million on the show shorts viewers, but don't worry about that. Just go for the 4,000 hours, okay, and the 1,000 subscribers, and then now you want to pick up the content. That's the best part. Content is whatever you do. Listen, I'm a dancer, right? So what I do, I dance. But that don't mean that my content is better than other people's content. All right. The next video, I will actually talk to you about what you can basically do with your content. Okay. So right now it was just a pretty recap on what you want to do. This, I want you to listen to this. This live right here of today, what we cover, in order for you to be a YouTuber, you need to do the first thing ever, download the YouTube Studio app. As soon as you download the YouTube Studio app, you're gonna be Gucci, okay? So you already know where you at, because if you don't know where you at, you cannot even start, because you don't know where to walk, okay? After you downloading the Studio app, okay, you wanna complete your 4,000 hours, okay? Complete your 4,000 hours. As you completing your 4,000 hours, you gotta collect also 1,000 subscribers, okay? How, Manuel, how, Dr. Kizomba, how do I complete my 4,000 hours? Okay, great. How do you complete your 4,000 hours? With your content, okay? Don't copy other people's content. Get your own content, okay? Content, we're gonna talk about content on the next episode, okay? This is free jewels, okay? No bulls, no bias, okay? How to become a YouTuber, okay? So now, when you get to your content, we're gonna find out what you can do with your content, and then we're gonna spice everything. My name is Dr. Kizomba, okay? Manuel dos Santos. I'm from Montreal, Angolan, African original born. My page, currently, I got like 5 pages, but don't worry about that. My page right now is 275 subscribers right here, my people. All right.